I'm Katie with Aving News, and we are at KIMA's 2026 here at COEX. Let's go and check it out. All right. This is our next company. Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What is your company? Tell us a bit about it.
Yeah, we are Painbiemn. Since 2011, we started manufacturing medical device, especially surgical suture. So we actually make the absorbable sutures that is naturally absorbed in the human body after the suturing.
Okay.
So yeah.
Did you bring some here? Can you show us?
Sure. Here, basically, you can see our product lineup. So this is a PGLA suture, which is made by polymer called polygalactin. And this one right here is the VSolve, which is a new technology in the suture industry. As you can see on the screen on our wall, that suture has the barb on the surface. So when you do the suturing, because of the barb, the tissue is naturally automatically closed. So it can help the doctors with convenience when they finish the cut the suture, or there's no need to make a tie. So that is kind of new innovation.
It cannot fall out anymore.
No fallout anymore.
That is pretty smart.
Yes. So that is very famous, and we are exporting very actively to the European countries such as Switzerland, United Kingdom, and Germany, Czech Republic, and also we are entering to the Latin American market too.
Wow, that's cool. So right now you're already exporting to those countries, right?
That's right.
That's amazing. How many countries are you exporting to right now?
So far, we've been exported to over 30 plus countries, regardless of continent.
That's
so,
cool.
Yeah, Japan and the United States also are supplying our sutures too.
Then what brought you to KIMA's this time?
Since KIMAS is one of the biggest, actually the biggest medical exhibition in Korea, also the KIMAS is trying to loop to the biggest and most prominent exhibition in Asia as well. So definitely we need to attend every single year to promote and to find a business new opportunity.
So even though you're already present in so many markets, you still want to grow and expand,
For
right?
sure.
What are the next markets you want to target?
Actually, we are targeting to focusing more to the Latin American market, such as Brazil. So far, we've been exporting to Latin American market that speaks the Hispanic Spanish market. So we are targeting to the to Brazilian market and also Africa. So African market is kind of a challenge as a Korean medical device manufacturer because of the delivery.
Okay.
The product quality and the reasonable price is very prominent and well known among the Africans too. But since the shipment, we need to figure out with our exceeding quality, maybe we can make still the way to export.
Okay, so the logistics are the tricky part.
You're right. Yeah.
Okay, I get it. So what are your goals, your hopes for this exhibition?
Okay, also, we want to promote ourselves in Korean market because domestically we are already supplying our suture to all so-called Big Five hospitals such as Samsung Medical Center, Hyundai Asan Medical Center, Seoul National University Hospital. But we want to promote more actively to domestic market. Also, as we grow in the globally as an exporting market, we want to set as one of the top leader in the surgical suture area.
That's amazing. Well, that sounds like everything is already going really well for you.
Yeah, very well, yeah.
We hope that, everything keeps going well and
you.
lots
Thank
of
you.
success. Thank you so much for the interview.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.